You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We need to learn how to pronounce this name. I'm pretty sure you are confused about how this is pronounced. I've heard everything on news and everywhere, people mispronouncing it. We've got more videos coming up, so stay tuned, because too many mispronunciations in this world. The Storm Éowyn. Éowyn. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.